Hello everybody, hope you've had an amazing weekend so far. It is your boy Trix, and today we're going to be doing some Clojure Koans. Sorry for the delayed stream. I was struggling with the new window manager we're using this series. We're going to be using i3, and so far, I was going to say I have been liking it. I don't like how workspaces are shared across all of your monitors, so that's the one thing that I really love about Awesome, and is why I keep going back to Awesome, where your current monitor has as many virtual desktops or virtual workspaces that you want, and when you do your modifier, so super plus whatever numbers you use for switching between your workspaces, it's focused on that monitor. So you could have 9 workspaces on one, and when you do mod or super 9, it'll take you to the 9th workspace on that monitor. Then when you move your mouse to a different monitor, you could do the same thing. Obviously, you don't need to move your mouse. You could just shift focus with your keyboard to the different monitor and do the same thing, which I really appreciate. The only problem with i3 and leftover M being that all of your workspaces are shared across all of your monitors. You could still have a ton of workspaces, so you could have modifiers that you have like 20 or 30 workspaces, as long as you have enough keys on your keyboard. But I do not like how the workspaces are shared. So yeah, that's just the only thing I don't really like. What's going to be I've configured it a little bit, so just like for the first couple of minutes, I'm just going to talk honestly. I've configured it a little bit, so we've got borders, we've got borders with PyCom, so that's the rounding, what I normally do. We've got some gaps, which is like a 4 pixel gap, just so I can see the background a bit. If I go to an empty workspace, that's my background. If you've seen Made in Abyss, you'll know who this is. If you haven't seen Made in Abyss, let's just say he's not a great dude. And for everybody who has seen Made in Abyss, I am sorry for the trauma that I have given you again. We've got the fade in and fade out, which is just from PyCom again. I've removed the title bars because I don't really need them, and I can just move windows as normal. I don't really need to see it. The only thing that I do really want to change, and it's just because it irks me, is this bar. It's the i3 status bar. I didn't mess with it too much just because I set it up. i3 has been really easy to set up, by the way. I was up and running in like an hour or two. Didn't really take that much. I can show you my config actually. Yeah, I was looking at my config anyway. If I select cat, let me just do less. Actually, cat should be fine because I have it. I have it alias to bat anyway. So if I cat my i3.conf, it's just config, isn't it? Yep. There we go. So this is my i3 config, just making my modifier the super key, then my font is Code because I use it everywhere, same in my terminal. Then start i3, that's fine. Then we've got i3 lock. I don't really use it. I could set that up to be a mod key, like Control Alt L, which is what I do in all my other window managers, but honestly I don't really like this window manager that much, so I might not stay in it too long. If I start using it like properly, then I'll add in the lock screen that I use, which is a better lock screen. It's just like i3 lock. Then I've got removing title bars, beautiful gaps. Then we've got pulse audio for controlling volume and stuff. I haven't actually tested if that works, but it should do. Question mark. Actually, if I do, what's that too? I don't remember what the joys of having custom. This is all configured in VIA, QMK VIA, sorry. So I haven't had to mess with volume at all, pretty much. I just do it like through the GUI tool that I'm using or whatever. So I've never had to mess with the volume. So I've just never used the keybinds because I never really need to use them. And when I'm listening to music, I'm not listening to it through my laptop, I'm listening to it from my phone. So then we got a floating modifier, which is just mouse and the mod key, which is fine. Then we've got webtoon. Then we got my normal key bindings, Rofi. Then I did move over my keybinds for HJK, what used to be JKL semicolon to HJKL, just because I'm more used to it. What else have I got in here? That's just workspaces. Then that's the Capuchin theme for the title bar, and I think that's about it. Then we've got the bar config, just dead simple. I don't like it, which is probably why. Then we got PyCom, my wallpaper, and then auto tiling starting up. So the auto tiling is just so that I don't have to mess with what's it called? It's pre-choosing where you want your window to go. I don't really care about pre-choosing. I hate manual tilers, to be honest. So I just turned i3 into a dynamic tiler because I knew if I didn't turn it into dynamic tiler, I was going to have a rough time. So that's just me like kind of cheating my way through this a little bit. The only problem I've had so far with i3, sorry, I'm just going to move this over a bit. The only problem I've really had with i3 so far is it hangs sometimes. So when I'm pushing to like a Git repository or pulling from a Git repository, it just hangs and you feel it. So like, for example, I haven't got Clojure set up yet, but we can. So it depends if there's Clojure on your system. Clojure. I'm just going to install Clojure because I need it. It runs on the JVM, so it should just run with Java, but I'm just going to check if I need anything else. Getting started. Install. Ugh. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna see if this Hail Mary is just gonna work. Come on, Zipper. Don't fail me now. Ooh, I could have done SDK man. Actually, I can check. Because it does support JVM. Let's see. See, oof. Got everything else. Damn. 4. By the way, I'm keeping even numbers on this monitor and odd numbers on that monitor, just so that I can like kind of keep it like in some way normal. The only thing I really don't like about this bar again is I hate how i3 just terminates your old workspaces when you're not using them, which is annoying. Let's install. The benefits of using a distribution like OpenSUSE, Tumbleweed, and Arch, you just have things in your package manager that you don't need to install in a different way. Amazing stuff. So now I should be able to just clone this. Do I need lane? And then lane in lane engine. Okay. Lane engine. I don't know if I spelled that right. I might need to do a search, actually, which is really cool with Zipper. You can do a SE to check what whether your package manager has a package, whether your repositories have a package. Sorry. There we go. Lane engine. There we go. And then if I run, what is it? Lane referral. Also, Unfortunately, we're going to be using Emacs this stream because I hate myself. Just kidding. It's because Clojure is a type of Lisp, and I thought it might be a good idea to use a Lisp IDE. God damn it. I'm hoping you're smart enough. Nope. I need to. Oh, I can't spell. God. There we go. Main REPL. Yeah, come on. Let's see how you do. It's gonna be slow, which I already know. Apologies in advance because I know this is gonna be slow. That's why I knew I was gonna. I wanted to do this off stream, but I was like, if I do this off stream, I know I'm not gonna be able to time it so that I'm doing it off stream while also being able to stream at a timely manner, and then I'm gonna be like halfway through, like, hey, currently installing things. This is the first one. So we're gonna just move with it, see how things go. I don't know when this finishes, but we'll just take a look. Okay, cool. So that's run. Cool. Name colon run. Okay. Okay, cool. So, let me fork this. It'll eventually load. It'll eventually load. I know I'm not dropping frames because I see the drop frames is 0. So this is just either my internet or just the browser engine being very weird, or GitHub just being weird. But I haven't got any messages from. I get SMSs for GitHub status stuff, so it's definitely not GitHub status. Let's see. Yeah. Fork. Come on. Why are you showing? Come on. There we go. Just gonna sorry. Cool. Then we need to do lane REPL. Then I need to do lane Koans run. Then I need to do that again. I already know where it's going wrong though, so I probably could just Emacs in, do this from the terminal. Ooh, actually that's probably a lot easier because I'm gonna have to have Emacs open anyway. It's gonna be a pain in the ass. There. Whoops. There we are, max. And this is where things go a bit. I don't know if I, oh god, I don't know if I've Clojure enabled. Damn, okay. That's wonderful. That's definitely something. I'm just opening up the, I can't be asked to open up the project. There we go, it's an SRC, then Koans, then this one. Okay, let's see, can the speed kick in? Come on. There we go. Come on, ASP's gonna kick in eventually, right? Oh, sorry, that's O T. There we go. Escape. This way. Nope, it's main. Main colon 1. CPU usage is at 15%, so I know nothing's being throttled right now. Can I not exit a REPL in? Oh, it's... God, I don't know. I'm gonna assume this is hello. Is that right? It's not. What's the... There's two. Clojure Koan. Sorry, I'm cheating. Apparently I'm not cheating. Okay, I have no idea then. I'm so used to VI that I just always default VI. Let's go. Oh god. Open project. Clojure Koans. SR3 Koans. Ecologies. Come on. So it's not this. Oh. Oh, that's wrong. Cool. That makes sense. Void? No. Oh. Oh, it's expecting a keyword, okay. Cool. So if I really just want to spawn another terminal so I don't have to mess with Emacs's terminal. I think if I do yeah, I can swap between that's fine. It's oh, I need to make sure I wrote that. Oh, it's control.a this way. You know, this in the context. Oh, whoops. There we go. There we go. Is that how you're supposed to solve? Do they have a Clojure thing? Damn. Okay. I don't know if I'm solving this correctly or not. So it would be cool. Then it would be right. Like that, right? No. Cool, and then right. Is it like this? Um, let's take a look at it. 4 years ago, so obviously there's going to be things that I haven't. Oh, that's annoying. Okay, so that's what it means. I thought it wanted. Okay, fine. But if it's already a string, why do you? So essentially, you would do, and I'm assuming. I was gonna say, I'm assuming you could also just put that question mark in its own string, but you're already concatenating them. You can get inserting characters. So get character you want C. So it'd be 0, right? Yeah. And then count words, count characters. Hello is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then world is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's just 11. But strings and characters are not the same. Okay. Substring. Ooh, it's a regex match. It's definitely a regex match. It's like W, and then that's gonna be 1 or something. Unknown command 1. It's oh, what is it? It's substring. No way. Clojure substring. There's got to be a way that you can substring based on a character, and then could you do character and then subs? Yeah, subs. 1 3. 1 and 3. Oh, so what it's expecting is because it had 2, it's doing it from 6 and 11. There we go. How about doing elements and then string drawing? So it'd just be 1 through 3, right? Oh, it's hang on. What if you wanted to separate them out? String join. Oh, hang on. It would be. I'm assuming you would do this. There we go. Maybe you want to separate out all of your lines. Split line. One. 2. I don't know if this will do it as a string though. No, okay, it does do it as a string. There we go. No, it'd be like H or something. Oh no, it's that. There we go. Oh, I could have done. Hang on, I could have done this. H. There we go. Eleven, 12, 13, 14. No. 13. There we go. Cool. Wait, how much do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, there's 27. So if there's 27 and I've finished 2 so far, then I would say in 13 streams, give or take. Because I'm also going to be having documentation and shit. But so far, that sounds okay. By function or code from. So that would just be 1. Whoops. Five. No. 2. No. 2, 3, 4, 5. No. What's that? It's not 1. No. What's that? Oh. So it'd be... No. The hell? Maybe it's... No. Oh, damn. Why a video? I might just bookmark the next channel if I'm going to be referring to it so often. Rest. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Oh. Okay. That makes more sense now. I did 2, 3, 4, 5, but I done them all together instead of separate. What? Oh, I'm missing the... Okay. Would be nice if I didn't forget some things. Okay, count your blessings. 3. Before they are gone. No. Oh, is this going to be 0, isn't it? Where's nothing and stuff up here? No? No. Okay. No. It's not. No, it's not. Oh. Because you have nothing. left. Okay, that makes sense. Oh, does it? No, it shouldn't prepend. Hang on. It prepends? That is not like any list I've seen in my life. So what's the so oh that's still weird. So when you construct makes sense because you're putting the value you want to add to this value, so it goes like that, right? But then conjoin is you want this you have this value, you want to put this in the beginning. So it's like writing through the first cache line of an object continuously. It's that's weird. Uh, First element. Yeah, that makes sense. Because the list is literally just a stack. That's why, like in array, you in some arrays, like one concurrent array, you can peek or pop from the front. It's this or it's the other one. Oh, okay, cool. Oh, whoops. Oh, is it this, isn't it? It's BC. God. There you go. I think we're making good time. Okay, so it's okay. That makes sense. So you're not gonna. So you're gonna have 111. So that makes sense. So when you have a list will always prepend, no matter what. Vector will always append, which makes sense. I wonder if it's inclusive. Oh, it should be. Oh, it's not. It's fine. You can treat it like for loop as indexes and stuff like that. That makes sense. There we go. It's not too bad so far. Not too bad. 1, 2. Oh, it's pound this. 1. Oh, whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm realizing some people might not know what the union is. Union of a set is the shared elements in 2 sets. So you see 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you can start with 1, 2, 3, and 4. You check the other one. So you don't have 2. I mean, you don't have 1, right? You have 2. You have 3. You don't have 5, and you don't have 4. So that passes. Oh. That's intersection. Sorry, that's my bad. I'm an idiot. Union is the combination of 2. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Intersection, this one, is the overlapping sections of the set. So it'll be 2 and 3. And then difference is, as it says, the things that aren't in both. So that'll be 1 and 4. There you go. It's been a while since I've done anything to do with sets. It's a very good data structure, just not one that I've used constantly. Don't get lost when creating a map. A1, and then you get column B2. Oh god. I hate when that happens. Value must be supplied for each K. Size is number of entries, which makes sense, that'll just be 2. You can get lookup for a value, get B, which just returns 2. Then maps can be used as a function to do lookups. So this is 1. And so can keywords. 1. But map keys need not be keywords. 2014. Oh god, it's Sochi. You might not be able to find an entry for a key. You can provide your own default. You can find out if it's present. Or if it is missing. But you can create a new and improved version. Disorc 2. So that'll be 1. Then that'll be January. How many do I have? Not that many. Create a new map by merging. C. 3. Oh, whoops. Which one am I missing? Nope. Oh, up here. God, okay. So that's a list of... Wait, what's wrong with that? A1, B1. Merge with plus A1, B1. Colon C3. Yeah. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? Oh, interesting. So it increments the value, so it conjoins them. Okay. Well, not conjoins, but you get what I mean. 2010, 2014, 2018. Okay. Whoops. Can't spell. Uh, then Vancouver at the end. There we go. I'm going to call it there for today. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.